metal, real, riders, premium die-cast models. It's usually written on the Hot Wheels premium packagings. They are all die-cast cars. But what is die-cast anyway? And what is the opposite, the so-called resin? In this video, we get to the bottom of it. What better way to explain you the differences with such gorgeous Koenigsegg models here? In short, die-cast models are made of metal alloys and are therefore particularly heavy and robust. These models also make the cars much more durable. This is why zinc or aluminium is used as the metal alloy. The molds can now be modeled very well, but the casting molds are limited. This type of production means that costs can be reduced and the molds can be mass-produced. This design means that damage is less frequent and the individual components are generally more resistant. Another big plus, the functions. Such die-cast models often have movable or even removable parts. But then there is also the other side, the somewhat more expensive and exclusive option of bringing 1 to 64 scale model cars to collectors. And that is with so-called resin models. In this case, the cars are made of this material and allow a significantly higher level of detail. The precision and fineness of such models is absolutely bombastic. In terms of feel, resin models are even lighter than metal models. There is often a lot of manual labor involved, which further increases the production cost per model. In addition, resin models are usually produced in much smaller number and are furthermore highly sought after due to the small number of pieces, which makes them all in all clearly a more exclusive collector's item than die-cast cars. You can see it wonderfully here on this Koenigsegg Agera R. This resin model is an absolute poem. The imitation materials such as carbon fiber, the matte white paint job on the body, as well as the sky blue accents are absolutely unbeatable. The choice between the two materials therefore depends on whether the focus is on high attention to detail and exclusivity, in the case of resin, or on robustness and a wider range of mass-produced products in the case of die-cast metal. Ultimately, the personal choice between a die-cast and resin model depends on personal preferences, the desired level of detail, and the intended purpose, whether for casual display or serious collecting. Both types have their merits, offering collectors diverse options to suit their tastes. Do you also have a resin model in your collection? Let us know in the comments. Thanks as always for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any more videos. As always, happy collecting and stay safe. Cheers.